Higher interest rates chilled but didn't freeze real estate during the first half of the year. I'm David Stark and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. Higher interest rates compared with last year kept sellers home and their homes off the market. This meant limited choices for buyers, much less than last year and only slightly more than during the height of the pandemic. What did this mean for prices? That's a matter of perspective. Compared with this time last year, prices were down. However, with the exception of April to May, prices up since the beginning of the year. Even with rising prices and higher interest rates, buyers were still interested in home ownership. Sales volume may be less than previous years, and in 2021 in particular, but homes were still selling. That's the big picture. Let's look at local markets, starting with the 880 corridor. Homes for sale. One home for sale in Albany. Compared with last June, significantly fewer choices for buyers everywhere. Prices. Newark is up 1.384. Alameda up slightly as well. Everywhere else, down. Sales, down everywhere compared with last June. West Contra Costa County is next. Homes for sale. Just single digits in the smaller communities and down in the bigger communities as well. Richmond, 57 for sale. Prices, El Sobrante is up at $894. Prices down everywhere else. Sales, up in El Cerrito and El Sobrante, down everywhere else. Let's check Central Contra Costa County. Homes for sale. Concord, Martinez, Pleasant Hill, Walnut Creek, all down in the 60% range. Prices all down slightly compared with last June. Walnut Creek 1.5 down 4%. Sales down everywhere. Pleasant Hill 24 sold down 35%. La Miranda is next. Homes for sale. Moraga just 6 homes on the market. Prices down. Orinda drops 20% to 1.925. Sales mixed. Moraga 18 sold up 38%. Next up is the Tri-Valley. Homes for sale down. Dublin and San Ramon both down more than 80% compared with last June. Prices mixed. Alamo more than $3 million up 4%. Dublin 1.69 up 10%. Down everywhere else. Sales, Alamo 22 sold way up, though unchanged or down everywhere else. Let's wrap up in the Delta. Homes for sale. Oakley 34 for sale and Pittsburgh 38, both down more than 60%. Prices mostly down. Brentwood 800,000 down 10%. Sales down everywhere. Oakley 24 sold down 50%. Last thought, buyer enthusiasm. Yes, fewer sales during the first half this year compared to the first half of previous years. But those homes that are selling sold quickly. During June, a home was on the market an average of 17 days. That's similar to June 2022 and 2021 and much faster than where we were pre-pandemic when prices were lower. Even with higher interest rates, so far this year, buyers were buying quickly. We'll see you next month.